Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking chicken drumettes. I already seasoned them with some cayenne pepper, and I use my Tony Creole seasoning. Let y'all look at it to see how I season it. I went to the store yesterday to get an onion, but they didn't have any onions. So I found this right here, which is the yellow onions, carrots, and celery. But I'm not going to put carrots in. I'm only going to use the yellow onions and the celery. So I'll be putting some of this on top of the chicken, and I will be baking the drumettes. I'm going to have drumettes and yellow rice. I'm thinking about cooking green beans with it as well, but I'm not for sure yet. But definitely I'm going to have the yellow rice with it. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my onions and celery to my chicken. I think that's enough for onions and celery. So I'll let y'all see the end results of the chicken drumettes. These are the yellow rice that I'm going to be cooking, and I also have great value Italian green beans. And I will be adding some onions and celery to my yellow rice. I'm just going to be put a little cayenne pepper and the Creole season to the yellow rice and the green beans. And I'll show y'all when I'm done with the green beans and the yellow rice. I have already covered my pan with aluminum foil. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours before I start cooking. And I will be showing y'all the yellow rice that I'm going to be cooking as well with it. Also, I'm going to be adding a little water to the pan before I put it in the oven so the chicken will not stick. I have my green beans on. I'm only going to use 1 can of green beans. And I just added a little seasoning to it, just a little bit. I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. I'm going to cook for about 5 minutes. And I'll be back to show y'all my yellow rice. I think with the yellow rice, I'm going to add about 3.5 cups of water. And I'm going to add the onions and the bell peppers. Not bell peppers, what it is? The onions and the celery to my yellow rice. And I'm going to add a little seasoning to it. But I'll show y'all once I get the water up and boiling. And I'll let y'all see how I do the yellow rice. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I have my water on for my yellow rice, and I already added a little seasoning to the pot. I don't never go by the directions on the box. The box says to add some butter, but I'm not going to add butter. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my onions and celery. I'm not going to add as much, just a little. That's all I'm going to add to the pot. Now I'm going to add the yellow rice. The noise in the background is Kamal, y'all. So he's playing with his toy. And I'm just stir it in. As you see, the water is starting to boil now. So I'm going to let it cook for about 5 minutes and I'm going to cover it up with a top. I want to show y'all the rice. It's almost done. It has about 5 more minutes to cook. And when the kids get home from school, I'll show y'all a plate. No, mine. I'm gonna fix yours. I want them to see a plate before y'all eat. No, mine. That's yours? Yeah. You ready for me to fix your plate? Yeah. Okay, go sit at the table. I hope y'all still can hear me, but I wanted to eat my dinner in peace, so I fed them earlier what I cook. Now I am eating my food. It is nice and quiet. Chicken is tender. I don't like my food highly seasoned, but it's seasoned just right for me. My kids, they enjoyed it as well. I want to tell y'all also that I'm going to try my best to do videos every day, but I am working in my salon now, so I may not be able to get off videos every day, but definitely I have a couple of videos out each week. But my goal is to do one every day. So I thank y'all for watching my videos, commenting on my videos, and also share my videos. I greatly appreciate that.